Today I am going to a yacht party for my brother-in-law. My sister planned it and I'm excited. Here is the outfit. Let me go back. Super cute. These are the heels. Hope you guys can see. And I'm going to show you guys the bag that I'm wearing as well. Here's the bag. Isn't it cute? And it opens up like this. And then you can see all my stuff in it. And then it closes up. Oh God. And there you have it. It's super cute. And it doesn't even show the stuff that's inside the bag. This is what I love about it. I got my hat. Because we're going to be on the yacht. And I don't want to be, you know, burning up with the sun beating down on me. But yeah, guys, this is the fit. Super cute, super classy. Hey guys, so we are back. I am dressed and ready to go to the concert. I got gifted tickets and I cannot wait. It's been a while since I've been to a concert. This is going to be like a girls' night type of thing. We're going to be chilling, hanging out, eating, drinking, get a VIP section, which is perfect. That's all I want, VIP only. The details of this outfit will be in my shorts video because I did do a little get ready with me. Anyways, guys, let's go because I am running late and yes, I'm excited. Hey guys, so we are back. I'm super excited about this weekend because we're going to Encore. I'm packed, I'm ready to go, but I am running a little bit behind, so I have to hurry up. The spa is booked. Your girl is going to be pampered. There is a gift involved, maybe two, who knows, I don't know, but I'm super excited. I cannot wait. Your girl's gonna be pampered this weekend. All right, so let's go. Hey guys, so I am back home. I had a pretty delightful couple days at Encore, as you guys can see. I'm relaxing today for the rest of the day, just doing absolutely nothing, like my shirt says. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I'll just pick the camera back up when I'm actually doing something, and yeah, pretty much. Otherwise, I'm relaxing, chilling in the crib because I'm tired. All right, so alright guys, so I don't know where I left off in this vlog, but right now my presence is being requested and I'm going out to dinner. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna have a couple of drinks, have a couple of laughs, probably go home, I don't know, but I'm bringing you guys with me. I'm about to valet. The valet's waiting, so yeah, let's go to dinner. Alright guys, so I am back home now. I am literally organizing my closet right now because it looks a hot mess. There's clothes all over the place. I would show you guys, but I'm not going to put myself on blast like that. So I'm just cleaning that up right now. I had to come home and wash my hair because my hair was all greasy and weighed down from, you know, just wearing it. Basically just going to be an introvert for the rest of the night and just relax, pop some popcorn, sit on the couch, watch my Netflix show, sip my wine, and mind my business because, yeah, I want it to be a chill, laid back night. So I guess I will just end this vlog here, but I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys for supporting me by watching, liking, subscribing. So, yeah.